Today, we're going to look at the components of the financial aid award letter and net cost worksheet. The financial aid packet, which will include your personalized award letter and net cost worksheet, will be mailed to your home once you've been admitted to the university and our office has received your FAFSA results. The financial aid packet will include not only your award letter and net cost worksheet, but many other important handouts related to scholarships, loans, and information you will need to know regarding the financial aid process. The award letter will indicate that we have received and reviewed your FAFSA results. The financial aid awards listed assume you will be enrolled full-time, which is at least 15 credits per academic term. As you can see, Jane is an A section student and only has aid listed under summer and winter terms. If Jane was a B section student, aid would be listed under fall and spring terms. There are no university charges or financial aid associated with your work terms, and that's why they are blank. The name of the awards will indicate whether they are a grant or scholarship, which is free money, or a loan. This is money that needs to be repaid. All awards are split evenly between your two terms. As you can see, Jane has financial aid from multiple sources. She has a grant from the federal government, the state of Michigan, and from Kettering University. Her merit scholarship she received based on her high school academic record is also included on this award letter. She's also been offered federal loans based on her freshman status. If we require additional information to finalize your package, this will be listed next. Jane's file requires her to submit a copy of her parents' 2019 federal tax return to our office for additional review. If no additional documents are required from you, this section will not be on your award letter. Since your co-op earnings will be paid directly to you and not to the university, they are not included on the award letter. However, it is important to know you can use these earnings to offset your remaining cost. To accept your federal loan offer, you will need to complete the additional form that was included in your financial aid packet. Since loans have to be repaid, you will have to actively accept them. The grants and scholarships are automatically applied to your account, but the federal loans do require additional action. If you are eligible for federal work study, which is a need-based work program you participate in during your academic terms, it will be listed in this section. Like your co-op earnings, you are paid directly, and it is up to you to use these earnings if you choose to offset your remaining cost. The net cost worksheet will also be included in your financial aid packet. This is a worksheet that allows you to see what your remaining estimated costs will be after your current financial aid offer has been applied. This sample worksheet is displaying our current 2020-2021 tuition and housing rates for each term. The gift aid, money that does not need to be repaid, is pulled over from the award letter and deducted from the university charges. Here you can see Jane's remaining net cost for each term after her gift aid has been applied. The self-help section includes the federal loan offer from the award letter. Since these funds have to be repaid after you graduate from college, they are included in the self-help section. You will also see slots for the Federal Direct Parent Plus loan. This is a loan in the parent's name, a non-federal private loan. This is an educational loan from a private bank or credit union, and a slot for you to enter your co-op earnings that you think you will be able to apply to your remaining cost. After you subtract your self-help amounts, you will arrive at an estimated balance due for each term. You can also include on this worksheet any funds you may have from a 529 educational plan, additional financial aid help from your family members, or from your own savings. If you are aware of a private scholarship you will be receiving from your own community or another private source, you can subtract that as well. Feel free to write on this form and to add any additional resources you might have. This worksheet is for you to keep and does not have to be returned to our office. If you have any questions about your award letter or net cost worksheet once you have received your award letter packet, please contact our office at 810-762-7859, or you can email us at finaid@kettering.edu.